Okay, this is the front yard, and this is a view up Cleve Drive. We'll do a good panoramic shot. Everyone say hello to Lisa, my neighbor across the street, who's originally from Finland, so I'm sure as a small child she saw these kind of snows. My trusty snow shovel, which has been my unfortunate companion for the last several days. And as you can see, I'm just lazy enough to shovel a path that is one shovelful wide. Just to give you an idea, this is a 12-inch ruler, which is about 1/3 of a meter. And again, the snow has been packed down over a couple of days. And you can see I've only cleared a path wide enough, one shovel wide. There's a piece of slick ice right here, so if the camera goes all cattywampus here, it would be because I fell and busted my backside. So I've cleared out to here. They haven't plowed yet, but it's packed down enough to where Jackie will be able to get out and go to work tomorrow. There's the element, and again, just to give you a visual representation, the stick, oops, sorry, you probably don't want to see it that way, do you? The stick there is 12 inches, which is a little bit less than 1/3 of a meter. Now that's a bit unfair because I live at the corner, so they push all the snow there, and of course I shoveled all my driveway snow on top of it, so obviously it wasn't quite that deep, but it makes for a good photo op. And as you can see, I'm very lazy. I've only done the element. Still have this to go to be able to get to car number 2, but that will wait for another day. So there's the house. There's some snow on top. There's a bird making a god-awful noise in the background, and that concludes Blizzard 2010.